Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar Bomse. Today we'll see one of the Snowflake real-time use case. Okay, so see this what happened. I'm having one employee.txt, one file is there. It is having three columns, ID, name, department, and three records are there. In a similar fashion, I'm having one more file that is department.txt. It's having two columns and three records are there. Okay, so these are two files are there. My requirement is that what I want to copy this employee.txt and department.txt into employee and department tables using SnowSQL. So command line interface. Okay, one more time. So I'm having two files, employee file and department file. So by using SnowSQL, I want load into employee table and department. Okay, so by using CLI, SnowSQL CLI, that is command line interface. And one more requirement is that what? Okay, so these two files are there. I want to display the output as the same. You see, my requirement is that what? I want to know Praveen is working for which department, Kumar is working for which department, Ram is working for which department. See, if Praveen is working for IT department, Kumar is working for HR department, and Ram, he doesn't have any department tag. In a similar fashion for finance, there are no employees are there. Okay, so one more time. So Praveen, IT, Kumar, see what happened. Okay, these are things. So if you want to perform now, we should know joins concept. Okay, see 100, 200. So by using department ID, we need to join this. So, okay, my requirement is that first we should load into respective tables and we should perform the same output. Okay, so this is my output. I want to get the same output. Like, so by using initcap functionality, okay, we should go for NVL handling. All these things we should go and column alias. Okay, for this. Okay, so see, okay, this is our requirement. So in order to solve this, we should go for following concepts. Okay, so you know the following concepts. What are the concepts? We should know Snowflake basics, like the sense like what, how to create table, all these things. So select statement in a similar fashion as SnowSQL. Okay, internal stages, NVL, initcap, joins and column alias, list and copy statement. Okay, so if you know this basics like how to create a table, how to insert some data like this, you should know basics. So selecting SnowSQL is nothing but it says command line interface. So temper locations, null handling, initcap. So okay, joins concept, column alias, list and copy statement. Okay, if you know this concept, the requirement will be simple and easy. Like let us okay. So now what happened? We'll discuss some of the basics. Okay, so how to create database? Create or replace database name in a similar fashion. Schema like create or replace schema name. Okay. So see in a similar fashion, I'm trying to create table. So create or replace table name ID. Okay, like this way. So first you should have database, schema, and table should be created accordingly. In a similar fashion, you'll understand what is called as a temporary name given for any column. Okay. So we're giving like some temporary, like for this one, I'm giving some alias, means a temporary name. Okay, so this is nothing but column alias. In a similar fashion, we'll go for initcap functionality. Okay, so what it will do, it will convert first letter of every word to uppercase. You see, this is what is it? This is my string. Okay, Praveen Kumar is my string. What it will do, it will convert first letter of C, P uppercase, K uppercase, and remaining into lowercase. So initcap, what will do, it will take the first letter of everything, it will take uppercase, and remaining adds into lowercase. Got the point? Hope this is clear. So like this way. So now, okay, now we log into SnowSQL and we'll work on. So first we log into SnowSQL and we'll work for it. So first, the first step is to log into SnowSQL. Okay, so you should know how to log in. Okay, right. Okay, so SnowSQL -a is nothing but what we should give account identifier in a similar fashion -u user. So you should know, okay, if you want to log in, you should have SnowSQL -a account identifier username. Okay, now we'll get how to get the account identifier. So go back here. Okay, so this is what Snow site. So go here. Okay, so scroll down, click on this thing, copy the same thing. So click on here. Okay, one more time. So go here. So scroll down, click on this thing, mouse over. So we should copy account here. We should copy the account here URL. So we don't want HTTPS. Okay, so from here, okay, from / you should copy this. Okay. So before this, okay, one more time. Okay, so we want what we want to put here. So see one more time. So we don't want all these things, just from / to the this is and put here. Okay. So this is the account identifier. And how to get the username? Okay, go back here. So go to the worksheets. Okay, so search for select current user. Okay. So current underscore user. So you can able to get the username. Okay. That is SF. Okay, so SF. The SF is the username. Okay, so what happened? So you're getting the account identifier and you're getting the user. Okay, so copy the same thing. Search for terminal. Okay, so terminal. So Control V. So click on this thing. Just we should click on this thing. Next one we should give the password. So okay, SnowSQL -a. Okay, account identifier -username. So this is a username. Okay, we should give the password. Okay, see, it has been logged in successfully. Now go back to our thing. Now first we should create one database. Create or replace database. So Praveen _dev_t. It's a development database. Okay, so this is the coding standards we will follow. Okay. In a similar fashion, go back here. So create schema. So schema Praveen dev_s. Okay. So development database, development schema. Okay. I will see for list of tables. Show tables. Same thing is the right now required. Now what's the target is that what? Okay, this is employee.txt and in similar fashion department.txt. Okay, so these are two files we want to load. Okay, we want to load to Snowflake table. Okay, so before loading, first we should create one. Okay, if you want to load, first we should create employee table, department table. Okay, so go back here. So try to create one table. Okay, so create. So remember, if you want to load anything compulsory, what we should have one table. Create or replace table name. So what's the table name? You can go for employee. Okay, so employee underscore t. T is nothing but it's a table, bracket open, bracket close. Employee ID, it's a number. So like this you should follow. Okay, if your requirement is not like this on a real-time use case, okay, employee name, we should go for varchar. In a similar fashion, department ID, it's a number. Okay, one more time, see. So what is the thing? Okay, employee ID, name, department. Okay, so three things. Okay, so click on creator this table. Okay, so table has in similar fashion we want to create one more table for what? Department table. Okay, copy the same thing. So create or replace department. So try to create okay department ID number. So department name. So always we should follow coding standards. Okay. So try to create. Now what happened? Department ID. Okay, two tables has been created. Okay, you can go for confirmation. Show tables. We'll get list of tables. Okay, so department table, employee table, two tables are created. Okay, now like Snowflake task is done. Now what happened? Ultimate goal is that what? So we want to load these two files into Snowflake tables. Okay, got the pointer. So see like this. So see what happened. Okay, so okay, if you go for here, search for the full file path. Okay, so go for file. So go here. Okay, so search for this thing. Okay, two files are there. Now we want to load. Okay, so right click and open with Notepad++. Okay, so two files are there. Okay, now what happened? We want to load these two files into Snowflake. Okay, so click on this thing, full file path to clipboard. Yes, one more time. So we want to take the full file path to clipboard. So go here. Next step is that what? Okay, file is there in my local machine. Okay, our target is that what? Okay, we want to load this file into Snowflake table, like employee table and department table. Okay, so directly we can't able to go. Okay, so okay, we should go for what? Temporary location. Okay, temporary location we should. Okay, so temporary location is but say stages. Okay, so internal stages. Okay, we go for one internal stages. So go back here. So what we're trying to do, we are trying to create one stage. Okay, so create or replace stage name. Suppose like I'm putting internal something like stage. Okay, this is my stage. Okay, so stage. Okay, now what happened? A stage has been created. Okay, how can I access list at the rate stage name? Okay, right now there won't be any files in this particular folder. Okay, now what happened? Okay, now what happened? Now we want to place this. Okay, now what's our requirement? Okay, so this is the employee file and department file. So we want to take from local machines and we want to put into this stage. Okay, what's the stage name? So one more time. Okay, now what's the requirement? Okay, we want to take the Snowflake employee files and department files and we want to put into internal stages. Okay, how can you put? We should go for what concept? We should go for put concept. This is put. So put file. Okay, colon. So path and internal stages. Okay, so one more time. So our ultimate goal is that what, okay, we want to take the file from local machines. Okay, this is the path. I'm going to put into the internal stage. Okay, so go back here. So put file, and what's the location? Okay, so copy the file path. Okay, so put file path. So forward slash paste it. Okay, what's the file location at the address stage? Okay, stage name is that what? Stage name is that what? Okay, internal stage. So we are taking from local machines and we are putting to stages with the help of put command. Okay, put command, what it do? It will take the file from local machines and will paste into the internal stages. Copy the same thing and try to execute in SnowSQL. So see what happened before that. What, okay, we should go for node database. Okay, we should use database. So database name is that what, okay, we're having what? So Praveen. Okay, so, okay, see database has been in a similar fashion. Use schema. The Praveen dev schema. Okay, so right now what? Okay, so username, virtual warehouse, database name, schema name. If you go for show tables, we'll get a list of two tables. Okay, two tables. Okay, department table, employee table. Now what's the thing? Okay, so we are taking put command. We'll take the file from local machines and we're putting into internal stage. Okay, it's added and upload successfully. In a similar fashion, go back here and we'll verify the crossback. See, if I put listed, we'll get what? We'll get the employee file. In a similar fashion, what? Okay, we'll take the department file. Okay, copy this file path. Okay, go back here, use the put command. So put command, put file colon paste here. Okay, add that stage. Okay, so same thing. Okay, so we are taking the file from local machine and we are putting into the internal stage with the help of which command? Put command. Okay, so put command. Okay, so put command we should go for and try to execute in like this. Okay. So see, both are uploaded. Okay, go back here and cross it. We'll get what? We get right now. We'll get two files. Okay, so see, if you want to see now, go back here. Now we can able to see the data by using $1, comma $2 from okay, comma $3. Okay, $3 from @ so internal stage. So we can able to go for file name. Okay, what the file name? Okay, so copy the same thing. So and we can able to correct this. You now see what happened. So see, we're getting the okay. So okay, this is employee details. In a similar fashion, go for department details. So same thing. So search for the same okay file name. So we should understand the requirement. If you understand the requirement, it's a simple and easy case. So our ultimate goal is that what we want to take the file from local machine and we want to put it into Snowflake table. Okay. Directly you can't able to know. Okay, see what happened? Department, okay, department. So one more time. Okay, so we are having employee files. I'll like employee txt, department txt. Okay, we want to take this file. So directly we should go for what? We should use put command and put into stages. And next one is that what by using copy statement, we can able to load into Snowflake tables. Okay, next step is that what okay, by using put command, we are putting into stages. By using copy statement, we are putting into Snowflake tables. Okay, go back here. Now use the copy statement. Okay, now data is there in stages. Now by using what? By using copy statement. Copy into our table name is that what? Okay, so go back here. So search for tables. Okay, how can you search? Show tables. Okay, see, we can able to get. Okay, go back and now go here, employee table, copy into employee table. Now files are there. What files are in this particular location? Okay, so location. We should use on error equal to continue. Okay. So, now see what happened. Okay, now so partial error. Okay, see what happened. If I see this data, we'll get what? We'll get the 3 records. So 3 records are there. Okay, so employee name, department. In a similar fashion, what? Okay, go back here. So we should put in which table? We should put in the department table. So from this one, find the table name. So table name is this is my table name. Okay, so put here. And what's the file name? Okay, file name is different. So copy the same thing and try to put here. Okay, see what happened. Okay, department. So go back here. So we will have employee table 3 records. In a similar fashion, put the department. So 3 records. Okay, 2. Okay, see. So what's the requirement? Go back here. Okay, our requirement is that what? So our requirement is that what? So first requirement is that what, okay, we want to populate the employee table, department table using SnowSQL. It's working fine. Okay, so see, so by using SnowSQL, we can able to put the base put command, or using copy statement, we can able to, okay, this is fine. Okay. Second task is that what, okay, we should perform the data like this. Okay, I will take the screenshot so that it will be easy. See, so one more time, I'll take the screenshot. First task is that what, loading to tables. Okay, this is fine by using SnowSQL. Okay. Next task is that what, okay, we should perform. Okay, I want to know Praveen and Kumar is, okay, these people are working for which department. Okay. Now we should go for what, we should go for which concept. When data is coming from multiple tables, we should go for what concept, we should go for joins concept. Okay. So take the same thing. Okay, so employee table, department table. Okay, now what happen? Okay, so put the T. So I'll go for inner join employee table. Okay, so employee table here. So here D is nothing but it's a table ls, D is nothing but table. Okay, so table ls. So both tables we should go for what? Okay, joining column is department ID. So D dot department ID equals to A dot department. Okay, so now see this thing what happened. Okay, always follow coding sense. So see. So like this. Okay, so what they want? Okay, they want only employee name and department. But you see what happened, we're getting, okay, only 100, 200. Okay. But you see what happened, we're getting what, okay, in this table we're having three records, but we're getting only what, 100, 200. Why? Because, so we're performing inner join, this nothing but will give common two records. But we want what, we want, okay, RAM record and finance. We should go for, instead of inner, we should go for what, we should go for full join. Okay, so we should use full join. So based on requirement, you should go for either inner join or left join or right join. Okay. So when you go for inner join, what we're getting only Praveen, and because we're getting 100 to 1, we should get only these two records. But we want what? We want to get RAM record, we want to get finance. Then you should go for what? Full join. Okay, so okay, full join. Now from this one, what they want? Okay, employee name, department. Okay, so see, so we don't want all columns. Okay, so the department name. So employee name and department. See the same thing. Now what happened? Okay, employee name, department name. This is working fine. Okay. But if see what happened, what is expectation? Okay, expectation set what again? So see, Praveen Kumar. Okay, so I okay, Praveen Kumar, IT HR, no issues, it's working fine. Okay, but Ram is working for what? Okay, see, Ram is okay, so Ram. Okay, okay, no department has been tagged. Okay, see, but we are getting what? We are getting null value. Okay, how can you handle null? We should go for what? We should go for NVL function. NVL or co-else. Okay, so put what are expectation of expectations that what? So they want to get no. Okay, so what they want? No department. So NVL command, so no department. So no department in a similar fashion. So for okay, for also like for reference, there are no employees at okay, then go for no employee. No department, spelling mistake. Okay. So in a similar fashion, no. Okay. So see, so for okay. Now see heading is good looking. No, it's not good. Okay, they want what they want. So see employee name, department. So same thing. Okay, so employee name. Of the same thing, we'll put department. Writing okay, employee name, department. Okay. But what is their expectation? The expectation is that what okay, they want to get first letter of wherever to uppercase. Then we should go for what console, we should go for what console, we should go for init cap. So see init cap. So Praveen Kumar Ram, no employee. Okay, so see got the pointer. So see clear so far. So like this way you can applicate. Okay, so see employee.txt. So first one more time see. Our requirement is that what okay, we are having the files employee.txt and department.txt in my local machine. Okay, I want to load into Snowflake respective tables. But what happens when files are in local machine directly can't able? Then what happens? You go for so by using SnowSQL. First we should log into SnowSQL. Then by using which command? By using put command. So file path and place into one temporary location. Here temporary location let's say internal stages. From these stages we should use copy statement and we should go and we should be put into Snowflake tables. This is first requirement. Second requirement is that what okay data we need to get from multiple tables. We go for joins console. Okay, now what happen? Okay, now we should go for full gen because we want all records. In a similar fashion, we should handle null values. We should go for NVL concept. So we should go for column alias and init cap. Okay, got the pointer. So see requirement, go back here. So like this way, you can able to get. Okay, so see, I want to get data from multiple tables. You go for joins concept, null handling, column alias, init cap. Okay, hope this is requirement clearer. So like this way, if you want requirement is that what case, so we want to load the data into Snowflake table by using SnowSQL. After loading, we should display the data as is. Got the pointer? So like this, if you understand the basics, like first understand the requirement carefully, then you can able to implement any type of logic. Okay, hope this is clear. If you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.